give you my heart.
Hey cuties, it's your girl Cutie with another video today. Today I'm doing a collaboration with Thrift Queen with $30 Summer Wardrobe Challenge. So let's get started. By the way cuties, all these clothes that you see is from my closet. Here is my first outfit where I'm wearing a cute little summer dress with my hair in a ponytail to the side, where you can just lounge around the cabanas or walk through the park. Here's my goddess necklace where, here's my outfit too. I said goddess necklace. Here's my outfit too where I'm wearing a goddess necklace, hoodie, and some ripped jeans. And two different pairs of shoes, which is a new trend this year. Oh, how can I forget this beautiful bag that's from Baby Fat? Outfit number 3. Here is outfit number 4, where I have this tank top and long skirt with wearing some shorts and my silver shoes. And here's my Baby Fat bag. Here's outfit number 5, where as a necklace you have where I'm wearing this tank top and my furry skirt with my furry bag and my golden shoes. It's kind of like the mall getup, but you want to be still classy at the same time. We're almost there, guys. Here's outfit number 6. I'm wearing Cutie sunglasses with my birthday little t-shirt, wearing some denim shorts, with my fashion bag and my glitter black shoes that I had kind of took from my own closet that I had previously made in my project before. And I'm wearing my hair in a bun. And here is outfit number 7, where you can see I'm wearing a scarf instead of a belt. But I'm wearing a scarf as a belt, so I can have kind of I can throw in a little bit of color, so that's why I'm wearing a red scarf to tie in from the black, having too much black to throw in some little color, so that's why I'm wearing denim jeans. And I'm wearing silver shoes to add some more color to it, to bring it light, to give you that fall effect, but still bring it into summer. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications for this video. And make sure you go and follow Thrift Queen, because she's the one that started this collab. And make sure you give her some love, happiness, and joy. And see you next time in the next video. Bye, cuties.